In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rotate a video using Clipchamp, the best method for doing so in just about 5 minutes. Now, let's dive in and make sure you have your video perfectly oriented, whether you captured it sideways on your phone or simply want a new perspective. The first thing you'll need to do is open your preferred web browser and navigate to Clipchamp's website. Once you're on the home page, you'll see the option to sign in. Click on that option to begin the process. If you already have a Microsoft account, this will make things a bit easier, as Clipchamp allows you to sign in by selecting the Continue with Microsoft option. Now, choose your Microsoft account from the list. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll be prompted to do so. Once that's taken care of, you'll be redirected to the Clipchamp home interface. From the home screen, spot the button that says Create a New Video, give that a click and you'll enter the Video Editor workspace, which is where the magic happens. On the editor screen, look for the Import Media option. Click on it to upload your video. You can do this by selecting a file from your computer or simply dragging and dropping your video file onto the interface. This method is super intuitive and saves you a few clicks. With your video now imported, it will appear in the media library. Drag and drop it onto the timeline beneath the media pane, and the video will be displayed in the editing area, ready for adjustments. Click on the video clip within the timeline. You'll notice several options open up, guiding you to different editing functionalities. Above your video, find the three-dot menu. This is where you'll access more editing options. Click on this menu and a drop-down will appear. Within that menu, look for the Rotate by 90 option. Clicking this will rotate the video by 90 degrees. Depending on how your video was originally filmed, you might need to click this option more than once to achieve the desired orientation. Each click rotates your video another 90 degrees, making it straightforward to reach the correct orientation, and there you have it. Your video is now rotated to the right angle. Make sure everything looks good on the preview screen. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, you can proceed to export or continue editing as needed. I hope this guide was clear and helpful in getting your video rotated just right. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore more on Clipchamp or leave a comment below. Thanks for watching.